Hey everyone, so I've got a little bonus video for today. It really is incredible that with everything going on in the world at the moment, you can still order something from Amazon and still have it turn up earlier than expected. This was an Amazon package that I wasn't expecting to arrive until tomorrow. But obviously it's come this morning. You probably heard it in one of my earlier videos, a knock at the door and doorbell. But I thought I'll give it a quick mystery Amazon unboxing, as is the season. So using the gloves to get out of the initial package. And this is just a simple mini tripod that I ordered. I've got my camera set up, my iPhone set up on a tripod at the moment. And this is literally just an additional one I wanted. More so just for the fact that it comes with a free little camera clamp. And it was more so the fact that I just wanted something that was quick release for my phone. The one that I'm using, it's more metal. I'll show a video of it. I'll insert it in, and it just tends to be a little bit more sturdy by the looks of it. So this is the actual tripod itself. So just a simple, small, meant more as a kind of a vlogging tripod, so you can push the button to extend the legs slightly. And if anything, if it's on a low surface, it'll probably be a bit more sturdy compared to the one that I've got. I probably do need to upgrade my tripod. This one I've had for quite a few years. I just bought it as a cheap rig that I had back when I used to do a little bit of car photography. Let me just, can't use the camera whilst wearing the gloves. Focusing on that. So it seems nice and sturdy. It's got some options to lock. And it's got your standard tripod attachment. Now this is quite interesting. It has actually got both orientations if you did want it the other way. So that there is a nice and simple little tripod setup. I do also have a few more attachments with this. Let's just take a look at what else we get in the box. So we get another rotating that seems a little stiff. It's more on a ball, so you can rotate it round. I'll probably make another video on this just once I've got it all set up and everything, just to demonstrate it a bit more. This one I was more just interested in terms of unboxing. And by the way, let me know what you think about the background in this video. I'm actually airplaying the stream live of what I'm recording. Obviously it's not quite live because I'm on 450 and that's only on 425, so there's a little bit of a lag. So you also have your standard GoPro type attachment as well. So they're the additional attachments that you get in the box. And what I'll do is I'll make another video just giving my thoughts on the actual tripod, whether it's worth it, whether I'll be keeping it or whether I'll be sending it back, depending on what happens. So thank you for watching.